Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little tips and tricks for those that upgrade to a newer version of Windows. For example, maybe you've been pushed to the October 2018 update and it doesn't work like you want. Something is wrong or you just don't feel right and you want to go back. You've got 10 days to do so, and you can do it through Windows itself. So remember, 10 days. So this is, it's not a very long period of time. I think Microsoft could have, done a better job and maybe, I don't know, give at least a month of time before you want to go back. But it has probably a lot to do also with some of the changes you might make when you are on the new version. So you want to go back, all you have to do is go into your settings. You either go through the notification or action center area on the bottom right and click all settings. You can also go to the start menu if you don't see it there. There's a little gear icon, that's the settings. In there you go to update and security, and on the left side you'll see something called recovery. Here you have a button. Now mine is more than 10 days, so the button is of course grayed out. But if you are within 10 days, this button will be available. You'll be able to click get started. This is a long process. It can take a couple of hours, even several hours on some older machines. But it will bring you to the previous install the way that it was. So if that's all that you want, that's going to work and it's going to bring you back in time. So if you've updated and something doesn't work, you don't like it, just go back to the previous version. Now, what if you're more than 10 days because you didn't know this option existed and you're grayed out? You'll have to download, or you'd have to get yourself a copy of a previous version of Windows and reinstall from there. Unfortunately, that's the only way. And if you don't have a copy of the previous version, well, you'll have to, it gets complicated at this point in going back into a previous version. Microsoft doesn't really let you have previous versions download on the Windows 10 website. So that's why I always say one of the first things you should do when you actually have a version of Windows is to have yourself a DVD or a USB thumb drive with it, so that you can go back there if needed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.